A warm greeting to all viewers. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn about and get to know the most correct, efficient, and simplified way through which you can effectively locate and ultimately find your valuable iPhone device. This method is applicable whether your cherished device has unfortunately been misplaced, is temporarily lost, or has even been stolen, providing you with a clear and actionable path to recovery. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support us by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. First and foremost, you will absolutely need to prepare or acquire any other necessary device, getting it completely ready, whether it's a robust desktop computer, a portable laptop, or even a convenient mobile phone running the Android operating system. So, for example, I personally have this particular phone right here. Now, I will proceed directly to the widely recognized and incredibly famous Google Chrome browser, and I highly recommend using this specific browser for optimal performance. So I will carefully click on it and then subsequently navigate to the universally well-known and highly utilized Google search engine. I will click in this specific area and then I will proceed to type iCloud into the designated search box. After that, the very first and official iCloud website will prominently appear for us to access. So I will proceed to carefully click on this initial website link, and then I will gently scroll down a little bit further so that I can precisely enter the complete email address associated with the lost or misplaced phone. Therefore, I will thoughtfully click within this specific designated area and then meticulously enter the full and correct iCloud email address of the lost mobile phone device. I will carefully click within this specific area and then I will proceed to accurately type in the complete email address. After that, I will then click in this designated area to securely enter the corresponding password for this particular email account. And after entering the password, I immediately click in this area. Some individuals might encounter this particular interface, which clearly allows you to precisely enter a sequence of 6 distinct numerical digits. These carefully entered digits will then be securely and efficiently transmitted directly to the designated lost mobile phone, facilitating its potential recovery. So I advise not to use the phone number linked to your iCloud account on the phone itself. Instead, you should put that particular phone number into another separate phone. Fortunately, the specific iPhone device I am currently testing on right now is conveniently located right here next to me, making the process quite straightforward and easy to manage. That's precisely why I am now going to carefully input these 6 specific digits that I have just recently received. Therefore, without any delay, I will proceed to press the Allow button on the other connected device, and subsequently, I will accurately enter the 6-digit code into the designated field. So, right away, I'll tap on this spot. After that, I will carefully scroll down a bit further on the screen, allowing me to view more options. Then I will proceed to gently tap on this specific option that is presented. And as a very important and helpful tip, it is crucial to understand that when you are in the process of entering your phone number onto a different device, the subsequent verification code that is generated will not be sent to the original lost device. Instead, for security and practical reasons, this essential verification code will be securely transmitted directly to the other device, the one where you have just finished entering your phone number. Previously, I have made several tutorials specifically about iCloud accounts. You will be able to find them conveniently located below this video in the description box, or alternatively at the very end of the video on the end screen for your easy access. So, as you can clearly and distinctly see, I have successfully located and found the specific phone. Now I will proceed to carefully click on it right here, and from the comprehensive range of these available options. As you can observe below, with great clarity, I am able to play a distinct sound, securely lock the entire phone, or completely and thoroughly erase everything important on the phone, and the current precise battery level of this particular phone is also prominently displayed for your convenience. So I will go ahead and play a sound right away. and you can clearly hear the ringing of the phone right next to me. So I will stop speaking now and conclude this recording. So I have stopped the ringing. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful iPhone tutorials where you'll find important and detailed guides that you'll certainly like and greatly benefit from.